In the previous tutorials, you've seen how to manually animate some simple items in Adobe Fireworks. In this tutorial, we're going to see how Fireworks will allow you to automate this process of creating animations. Okay, so I've set up a new file with a canvas. I believe the canvas size was 800 by 175. I've imported the arrow again. This time we're going to just make sure the arrow is selected, then choose the Modify pull-down menu, choose the Animation option, and we want to choose the Animate Selection command. And here we can tell Fireworks how many states we want and what direction we want to move this in. There's a little wheel that you can turn, or you can just manually type in the direction. And now when we hit OK, it will ask us, do we want to insert more states? And yes, we do. So now if we take a look at our states, we should see we have 10 like we specified. And now there's little bullets along a line within your arrow. There's a green bullet and a red bullet. If you click on the red bullet and drag it out, I'm clicking and dragging, you can extend this line of animation to tell Fireworks how far you want this thing to move. And each one of these little blue bullets represents the frames or the states. So now if we play this, we should see our arrow automatically being animated. We can do something similar for a rotation. We can use the Animation Selection command, and this time instead of moving it, we're going to have it rotate. I'm going to give it 16 frames, and I'm going to tell it to rotate 360 degrees, clockwise or counterclockwise. I'm going to stick with clockwise. And again, it'll tell me that it's going to automatically insert the new states. And now when I hit play, we can see the thing rotates automatically. Alright, let's see what else we can do with the Animate Selection command. One thing I forgot to mention in the last video, I believe, is that if all you're going to do is rotate it or use some other function, you probably want to select the move and change it to 0. In this case, we're going to scale the thing down from full size to 10% of its normal size. Let's use 10 states for this. Now when we play it, we should see it getting smaller. Of course, you could reverse that and have it get bigger. Let's take a look at one more animation feature. Again, I'm setting the move to 0. And in this case, I want the arrow to fade. Right now, its opacity is set to 100, so it fades from 100 to 100, so it's not fading at all. I want to have it fade all the way so that it's invisible. I'm going to have it fade over, let's go 24 states. And let's play and see what that did. So you see it gradually fades out. So you see there's a lot of different things that Fireworks can do with its Animation Selection command. Of course, you first have to have it selected before that command is available. But go ahead and experiment around and see what you can do as far as creating animated GIFs.